What's going on, guys? Scotty with Miller Carts, if you want to call it that, today. We sold one of our clients a golf cart, and you have a sensor that went out. The cart does not go past probably like 5 miles an hour. It needs to be a 25-mile-an-hour cart. Well, what happened is this right here, it's a speed control. I'm learning all this myself. There's a little magnet back behind here that goes bad, and it reduces the motor from going fast so it doesn't burn up the motor. It's a safety feature. So this is a Western cart. Easiest way to get to it was I pulled the tire off, pull the wheel well off, and it gives you plenty of access to that sensor right there. So stay tuned. So we got the bolts undone and pull the cover off. It's okay. Supposedly there's a crack in here. So let's pull this off and see what happens. So this is the part here. This is the new magnet. This was the old one. It looks okay, but it could be the housing too that's messed up. And that's all scratched up. That's probably what the problem is. So this is for the high-speed motor. The sensor does come with one. It comes with the hardware, but we're not using this one because this is not for the high-speed motor. But here's the new housing, looks good. We're gonna redo the connections on this thing. We're gonna butt connect them, get rid of those bullet connectors. Let's see what happens. So we got the wheel well back on. Now we're gonna put the tire back on, lower it down, and hope for the best. See what happens.